Wise Boy channel. Today we are counting down our picks for the top 10 intelligent animals. For this list, these are the smartest animals that you come across in the animal kingdom, that are known to possess intelligence, that may even remind us of human intelligence. But we are excluding human beings from our choices.
Buddy! We found it! The lost city of Nutlantis!
Number 10. Raccoon, found in North America. However, the raccoon also has perhaps surprisingly amazing intelligence.
Theft and
If you're
escape from
planning a
lockup.
whimsical animal
Part of the
burglary,
movie.
you'll definitely want a raccoon anchoring your squad. In a bizarre 1908 study by anthologist H.B. David, raccoons were able to pick complex locks in fewer than 10 attempts, even after the locks were rearranged or flipped upside down. Various studies conducted from the 60s to the 90s found that raccoons also boast an impeccable memory, able to recall solutions to tasks for up to 3 years. And studies have shown that these clever beasts can solve an ancient Greek puzzle that can even stump humans. Number 9. Crow. It's said that these crafty birds not only can recognize faces to differentiate between predatory and benign species, they also understand basic physics, have been known to change entire migration patterns, to avoid farms where crows have been killed in the past, and may even memorize city garbage routes, so they can snag the inevitable food droppings on trash day. Talk about some of the smartest animals. Cool, calculating, and known to harbor a grudge, crows shouldn't be compared to gangsters, but we do feel obligated to remind you that a group of them is called a murder. Number 8. Pigs.
From my world, the world of the pigs.
Believe it or not, these farm animals are actually trainable. In fact, their memory lasts up to 10 years. Pigs may as well be man's best friend. According to a 2015 paper from the International Journal of Comparative Psychology. Like dogs, pigs have been shown to understand emotions, demonstrate empathy, solve mazes, learn simple symbolic languages and, most adorably, make best friends. As some of the smartest animals in the world, the youngest pigs even put our youngest humans to shame. In an experiment where we British piglets had to use mirrors to divine the path to a hidden bowl of food, piggies as young as 6 weeks old learned the concept of reflection within a few hours. A milestone that takes baby humans several months to grasp.
We're gonna come in again.
Number 7. Octopus. This three-hearted animal is a real true prison breakers of the sea. These tentacled creatures have proven time and again their talents for popping lids off screw-top jars, compressing their bulky bodies through slits small holes, and climbing impossibly out of aquarium tanks to their freedom. Otto, a German aquarium octopus, was even known to throw rocks at the glass and spray water at overhead lamps to short-circuit the annoyingly bright lights. Add to their rap sheet the recent innovation of assembling shelters from coconut shells, and there's no denying cephalopods will one day be our overlords. Number 6. Squirrels. If you've ever second-guessed yourself while trying to remember an online account password, know that you have stooped to sub-squirrel intelligence. According to a Princeton University study, gray squirrels are capable of remembering where thousands of nuts are buried for months at a time. They even use subterfuge to trick would-be nut takers. In a 2010 study, squirrels who knew they were being watched dug fake caches for their nuts, making a show of digging holes and patting them over with dirt while hiding their precious nuts under their armpits or in their mouth, until they could find a more suitable hiding spot elsewhere.
Can you hear what I'm saying to you?
Number 5. Dogs. Dogs have unstoppable stamina, and they need to keep them busy with any task that presented to them. There's a reason dogs are man's best friend. Not only are they adorable, they're also crazy smart. They have emotions, they learn tricks, they recognize their owners, they can sense others' feelings, and that's not even all of the clever things dogs can do. According to Live Science, they're as smart as a 2-year-old child. The finding is based on a language development test, revealing average dogs can learn 165 words, similar to a 2-year-old child, including signals and gestures, and dogs in the top 20% in intelligence can learn 250 words, says a Live Science article.
Yeah, I just wanted to, okay. Oh, great, you're in love. How gross for everyone. Now move it! Goodbye! Goodbye! Does anyone know where we are? Bye, man.
And the world's alright with me. Just one look at
Number 4. African Greys. Besides being able to mimic humans, parrots can solve puzzles based on logical reasoning. According to Live Science, these parrots are as smart as a 3-year-old child. Parrots can draw conclusions about where to find a food reward not only from clues as to its location, but also from the absence of clues, an ability previously only seen in humans and other apes. It suggests that great parrots have some understanding of causality, and that they can use this to reason about the world, study scientist Christian Schlugel, a researcher at the University of Vienna, told Live Science. Number 3. Elephants. In case you've forgotten, elephants have incredible memories. They're able to recall specific routes to watering holes, over incredible stretches of terrain, and over the span of many years, and they never forget a friend, either. In 1999, an elephant named Shirley arrived at the elephant sanctuary in Tennessee. Immediately, a resident elephant named Jenny became animated and playful. It was in love at first sight. Jenny remembered Shirley from when they performed briefly in a circus together 22 years earlier. Don't feel bad about your own poor memory though.
I've never felt so alive!
Good! Cause I'm gonna kill you!
No time for that now, Missy.
Number 2. Dolphins. With the biggest brains of any other animals of the same size, and it's not surprising that the dolphins is one smartest animal. Dolphins are often cited as the second smartest animals on Earth, due to their relatively high brain-to-body size ratio, the capacity to show emotion, and impressive mimicry of the dumb apes who researched them. Now, before we reveal our top pick, there are some honorable mentions.
You're in my film!
I have to go to work. That's an ordinary day for me.
Number
why doesn't he
1.
get his new friends
Chimpanzee.
now? I don't-
Unsurprisingly, chimpanzees
think
are
you're
one
doing?
of the most intelligent animals on this planet, next to humans, of course. Similar to how humans inherit their intelligence from their mother, a chimpanzee's intelligence also greatly relies on their genes. They can learn words, play with objects, and even seem to mourn the deaths of their friends, says National Geographic. Genes determine about half of the variability in chimp intelligence, and environmental factors the other half, according to primatologist William Hopkins, of the Yerkes National Primate Research Center in Atlanta, Georgia, and colleagues. Chimps also have their own way of making life a little easier. Chimps are known to make and use tools. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.